Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best Miller welders on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Miller Electric Stick Welder Thunderbolt series. In comparison to most other welder series from Miller, the Thunderbolt series is a bit older, because of which it has comparatively lower prices, making it a great affordable option. Miller's Thunderbolt Series 10.5H stick welder comes at the second position of this listicle, as this is the cheapest option stated here. To have such a low price tag, it only supports stick welding, which might be restrictive for some. However, even at the given price, this is a highly powerful welder with a welding current rating of 20 to 160 amps. Thanks to such a high welding current rating, you can use this Miller welder along with a 1/4 inch thick metal sheets, making it the highest welding thickness rating stated here. Although, its duty cycle of 20% at 75A is a bit low for long-term usage. Unlike what you would expect from such an affordable welder, it includes a decent amount of accessories, including power cords, plugs, connectors, holders, and others. Pros: affordable Miller welder, highly powerful welding machine, vast welding current range. Cons: poor duty cycle range. Number 2. Our second best pick is Miller Electric MIG Welder. Miller primarily makes a wide range of MIG welders, since they are the most popular types of welders that are used by most people thanks to their high efficiency and performance numbers. This Miller Electric Multimatic 211 welder comes at the third position of this article because it is one of the best all-rounder options out there. For starters, it is a MIG welder which is preferred by most users out there. Other than that, it also comes with various handy features like the support for both aluminum as well as steel welding for high versatility. Talking about the highest welding thickness that you can use this welder for, it is rated for up to 3/8 inch of steel sheets, which is on par with other options out there. To support both steel and aluminum, it uses a fairly high welding current of 30 to 230 amps depending on your current settings. Similarly, the duty cycle is also a bit limited at 40%, while this Miller welder at 150 amps of current. Pros: quite a powerful MIG welder. Works with both steel and aluminum sheets. High welding current rating for proper welding. Cons: a bit on the expensive side. Number 3. Our third best pick is Miller Electric Miller Multimatic 220 AC/DC. While we have already stated a highly versatile option under the Multimatic lineup of electric welders above, you can also consider this one if you want an all-rounder machine for all your needs. Miller Electric's Multimatic 229077757 welder is the most versatile option stated here. The primary reason for the same is that it is a Multimatic welder that supports MIG welding, TIG welding, and stick welding. Since this is a fairly premium Miller welder model, you also get a vast amount of accessories included in the box. Even though this welder can function in so many various welding modes, you can still use it on up to 3/8 inch using the controls on the front. As for other performance numbers, Miller, unfortunately, does not mention them for this welder. Pros: includes a wide range of accessories. Great all sorts of welding processes. Excellent build quality. Cons: a bit on the expensive side. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Miller Electric Miller Multimatic 215. Miller offers all kinds of welder machines that are all made for different kinds of welding processes, which are all available in its Multimatic series of welding machines for high versatility. The Miller Multimatic 907693215 Multiprocess welder comes at the first position of this list, since it is one of the most versatile options stated here. Since it is a multi-process welder, it supports stick welds, MIG welds, and TIG welds, making it highly versatile. Even though it supports all of these different processes, it still has a justified price tag, resulting in a high value for money. Another great thing about this Miller welder is that it can still work with up to 3/8 inch thick metal sheets for welding despite having this many welding processes. Although being an entry-level model, you only get a number of accessories included in the box. Pros: highly versatile Miller welder machine. Fairly high value for money. Cons: limited number of included accessories. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is TIG Maxstar Miller welder. Miller also offers a few TIG welder machines that might be preferred by some users in some cases, especially if you want a premium and highly powerful welding machine. This Miller Maxstar 150 STL TIG welder is the only TIG welder option stated here, making it the perfect option if you also need a TIG welder. While it may come at a very high price tag, it's given maximum welding thickness limit of 3/16 inch, which is slightly lower than others. However, being a highly premium welder from Miller, it includes a wide range of handy accessories in the box which can be great for using your welder right away. Pros: excellent performance for a TIG welder. Viable and handy accessories in the box. Great build quality. Cons: quite an expensive Miller welder. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.